Oh, the cat. A well-trained life, but here's one question. What do they do when their owner isn't home? This is the life. Once she wakes up to realize her owner has gone to school or home, she wakes up her little brother. Once the little brother is awake, they both realize their owner isn't home. And they start to go in emotional haywire. Then the cat has an idea to scratch the door of her still butt naked brother that's inside. And then she asks and all the fun. Then they leave. Then the cat gets his favorite toy, but this one wants the toy, and they start fighting over it like rabid beasts. No, you have to fight. You have to try to get it back. Then they get tired, so they go to sleep. Then they hug it, only for a second though. And then once they get up, they both hug each other to show that they actually love each other. Even though it looks like she's suffocating them. But anyways, this cat has a different... These two cats have been through a lot lately, losing their owner through school. So they go into the kids' room. So they go into the kids' room. That kids' room. It's this one. And then they sleep on her bed. Which you can really see. So then they go back to the couch. Then they go to the living room, or at least both of them. And then they're in deep lost in their conversation. Then they start messing around and playing. It's pretty funny. And then they hear something. They hear a door open. They quickly hide all the stuff that they've done and go back and one of them goes in the bean bag.
And one of them goes in the bean bag.
And one of them goes in the bean bag. The other one goes on the couch right where they left it. And then the other one on the couch goes to sleep. And then the owner walks in. You have an adopted brother.